everybody, welcome back. It's Tosh here. I am here today with my Boxycharm base box unboxing for the month of June. Unfortunately, I am still recovering quite a bit, so I am still not in the picture. I did have some progress. I was able to actually put some foundation on today, but still eye makeup is very, very limited, if any. So we're trying to, oh, that's my dog. That's Lil. Hi, Lil. Trying to slowly progress into this, hopefully in another week or so. I do have another doctor's follow-up appointment, so hopefully that will help and I can actually put some makeup on my eyeballs. At any rate, we're going to do this boxing together. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha and I typically do all things makeup. So unboxings, hauls, try-ons, reviews. I typically am able to be in the video and actually put it on my face, but right now is a little bit of an exception, so thanks for bearing with me, everybody. I would love, if you're new, for you to click the subscribe button and join my family. I am still planning to do a giveaway once I hit 50, so I would love for you guys to join. And without any more talk, let's go ahead and jump into this month's box. So my premium box I did previous to this. I still am learning how to link everything, but you can see it up. So it is the premium Boxycharm box, and I was not super impressed with it. So hopefully I am hoping that the base box is much more impressive. It is still the same theme, and so we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So the first thing that I see here is the box is just a little bit squished, and that's okay. But this is the Aceology Overnight Lip Mask. It says this lip mask is here to give your lips that extra smoochable edge. The miracle worker will resurface your lips, boost hydration, and leave them soft, supple, and smiling. Retail value $19. Let's go ahead and open this up. You can see I'm just going to take it from the bottom because it's already kind of brokered there anyways. I was thinking this was more of a blush product. It is cruelty-free and vegan, and it says apply generous amount to lips prior to sleeping. Upon awakening, wipe with damp cloth to remove. And that really is the directions. I do like the little tube that it's in. It is in a plastic, not metal tube. We're going to go ahead. Oh, and I love that it has a seal. You guys know I'm crazy for seals. We're going to go ahead and open this right up real quick and put just a little bit out right on my hand. And so I don't know how well you can see that. It is quite a clear, thick, kind of a petroleum-like base. And let's check it out and rub it around, see what I think about it. It has a coconut smell. It smells just like when you put that suntan spray on, that oil suntan spray that's like coconutty suntaniness. That's kind of nice. I like that smell a lot. It does not sink in really a lot. It is very, or it seems very petroleum based, so we'll see how that works. My lips are always super dry, so I am always looking or happy to try something that helps them retain some hydration. We're going to get rid of this packing thing. The next thing I see on here is 2 masks. And so these are the Vita masks. Nourish Flower Nectar Biodegradable Mask and Glow Juicy Berries Biodegradable Mask. It says experience the world's first ever range of biodegradable masks and packaging, allowing one-time use items to be more sustainable and eco-friendly. I like that. Nourish is a natural probiotic and adaptogenic sheet mask made with multi-peptides, ceramides, and flower extracts such as cherry blossom, hibiscus, and orange blossom to nourish and repair the skin. So that would be that one. Glow is a natural probiotic and adaptogenic sheet mask made with vitamin C, niacinamide, and a superberry complex that includes raspberry, blackberry, goji berry, and mulberry to brighten and improve uneven skin tone. Retail value $18. There is only 1 sheet mask in each thing, not multiple, so this is a 2 sheet mask thing for $18. That seems like a lot for a sheet mask. Hopefully they're really, really good. I don't see on here anywhere that it says, it does say that they're vegan, adaptogenic, probiotic, eco-friendly, which I do really appreciate. We'll certainly try them. And again, very, very similar to my premium base or premium box. It's almost all skincare, which is not a thing for me. We'll do this next. This is the Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. It says an advanced cleanser with a powerful blend of 3 charcoals to detoxify skin by removing pore clogging debris, excess oil, and face makeup. Retail value $32. It does say it's pore refining. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what it is. Oilifying, mattifying, clearing. Does it have a seal? It does. It has a seal. I'm not going to open this up. I'm typically a dry face gal, and I do not need anything that's going to mattify or dry me out more. It just doesn't work well with my skin, so I will put this in the giveaway. So yeah, there we go. Next product in here is another face care, skincare product. This is the Isle of Paradise High Glow Self Tan Serum. And so this says, hyaluronic self-tan serum, a moisture-boosting tan serum infused with hyaluronic acid for visibly brighter, firmer, and glowing skin all over. The lightweight formula delivers an instant burst of hydration that absorbs within seconds and is never tacky. The mess-free dropper can be applied directly to the skin. Enriched with a signature complex of plant-based oils, this is a healthy cocktail for your skin to drink up. Retail value $35. It is supposed to be a new launch. What I don't understand is how you're supposed to put this all over well and know where you actually got it, because it is a clear, so there's no color gradient thing, and it seems like you would need a lot to go all over your body. Because this is a body high glow self-tan serum. That's what it says anyways. We'll just stand it up. I know you can't read it. Hold on, I need my glasses, sorry. Still can't read without my glasses, which is disappointing at best. So basically it says very much what that thing said. There are no real directions. I'll certainly look it up online, but it sounds like you just apply it like a serum, like you would on your face. I am a little concerned about how you would get an even amount of it all over and make sure you got it on. It does say it's a gradual glow though. It doesn't sound like it's going to be anything that's like instant going from my pale skin to super, super tan. So we'll certainly try it, see what I think. The very last thing is the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Gradient Makeup Palette. A multi-face palette with gorgeous gradient shades that uses your own natural beauty to glisten, bronze, and add the perfect flirty flush. Retail value $34. And so this sounds like it's not a not an eye palette, it is actually a face palette. Let me get it open real quick first. Hopefully. I do think that the packaging is very, very pretty. Look at that. Hashtag Glowdient. Ha ha ha. Play on words there. Beautiful packaging though. I do really love this packaging. It is plastic, but it looks very, very nice. Let's go ahead and open this up. And this is different than I thought it would be. So this is more like a highlighter, bronzer highlighter thing going on. You can see the very light that move into darker and darker shades in there. And so for me, there are some of these that, as pale as I am, are probably not going to be very usable for me. But let's go ahead and swatch these separately. We're going to do this very light one right here on my arm. Wow, that is really actually quite pretty. Next one, right next to it. Beautiful. That would be probably one that I would use because it's just a little kind of a peachier shade. And now we're getting into ones that are going to be a little harder for me to use, although this might work as a blush topper, and it absolutely would. You can see it has more of an apricot-y pink color to it. And then now we're into shades that I don't know that I would be able to use, although it is beautiful. I don't know where we stopped recording, so I said this would be a blush topper, and it was this one right there. And then I swatched this one, and I said this is a little harder for me to use. It is definitely very deep, but would be a beautiful eye shade. And then the very last one right here is more of a chocolatey color, and we're going to put it right next to there, and it is. That might not be bad over bronzer if you want a sparkly bronzer. I'm not a big sparkly bronzer person, but I do think that that's nice. I do think that the packaging is gorgeous. I love that. So that is my base Boxycharm. Again, super disappointed this month with the amount of skincare that I received, particularly when my thing says I prefer less skincare and prefer more makeup. Yeah, you know, that's the way it goes, I guess. So, base box, Boxycharm. What do you guys think about it? What did you guys get? I know that there were tons more variations this month. Quite a few with more makeup. Did you guys find things that you are really excited to try? What are you looking forward to? Let me know. Let me know what you want me to try out of my batch here. Again, this is going to go in the giveaway. When I hit 50, I would do a big giveaway and do several different things. And we'll go from there. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I loved having you here with me. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.